this is 1. What? No, I don't believe this. 28 and 3/4.
Michiamo, Mrs. Ajajama, Wajima. Greetings, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a bentonite clay pack that it's going to remove toxins from your body. So if you're going to apply this on your belly, fine. That is going to help you reduce that inches that you want to take off. So it's a fast way of burning that fat on your belly. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to use either a plastic or wooden bowl, a wooden or plastic spoon. Then the most important ingredient is the clay. We have different types of clay. In Ghana it's known as shell, in Italy it's known as argilla, and we have a lot of colors. We have the black one, we have the white one, we have green. This one is green, and we have I think the red one too. So what I bought from my pharmacy was the green ventilated clay. You will also need some peppermint or eucalyptus or some mint essential oil, olive oil to prevent dryness, because this clay is going to remove toxins from your body. At the end of the day, your body might feel so dry, so you're going to add a spoon of the olive oil so that it will moisturize your skin. You also need some warm water. Okay, you don't want to use cold or very hot. What you need is warm water. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can use powdered ginger. And you also need some plastic wrap. When you are done, this plastic wrap, you're going to wrap it around your body. Then the last thing that you're going to need is some waist trainers, okay, so that it will keep everything in place. I also have my tape measure here to measure my waist. And reason why we are using a wooden spoon is because this has negative ions, and so using something metal, it's going to deactivate it and it won't work. So what you need is, you have to avoid metal spoon. You have to get either plastic or wooden. What I'm going to do right now is, instead of using the powder, I'm going to use the fresh ginger. It has been grated. I'm going to add a little bit of warm water. Okay, you can blend it and extract the juice from it. You can use it, you can grate it. I didn't want to blend it, I just wanted it to make it this way. So what we are going to do first is, let's add this. If you don't have the spoon, you can pour it in directly. So you take as much as you want, but you're going to be cautious. 1, 2, okay, 3, and 4. I think 4 is enough. Right, we're going to put this away. If you are not using the powdered ginger, then fine, but if you are using the powdered ginger, you can go ahead and add some to it. So just be cautious of the amount you are going to use. I will go ahead and add, let's say, 4 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I got 2, and now I'm going to add, let me place this here. I'm going to add my olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil, not mineral oil. You just use vegetable oil, but I prefer to use olive oil because it's thick. So let's go for 2 tablespoons. Sorry. Then if you're not using the ginger, the powdered ginger, cool, you can then go ahead and add the juice. Okay, so be mindful of the amount of water that you place in this, because I can smell the flavor, and I really like it. So this being out of the way, so I'll go on and mix my ingredients together. I think I'm going to add more because I want to feel the heat. So this is the consistency. You can either make it light, watery, or even thicker than this, but I prefer using this, I guess. And so let's get everything out of our way. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to measure my waist. So I ate fancy kenke and tilapia. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 31 and 1/4. 31 and 1/4. So I'm going to need some gloves. I don't want to get everything everywhere. Why do you do this? Let's get to our plastic wrap. If you're all by yourself, then I'm sorry. But if you have somebody with you, then this part is going to be very easy. You need not to tie it very hard. It's not supposed to be tight. It's not supposed to be loose. So you have to do it in a way that you will be able to breathe. Okay. You can do this and be moving around, doing whatever that you want to do. It's cool, it's fine. So now it's time for us to put on our okay. If you don't have a waist trainer, you can use a bandage. That is also going to be fine. Okay, I think it's very okay. It's okay. It's one step. So you don't want it to be too hard, too tight. You need to be witty. Okay guys, so I know it might look a little bit crazy, but I can feel the burning sensation, and in my armpit too, because this clay, this bentonite clay, is very good for detoxifying your whole body. What it does is it removes every heavy metal, every chemicals, everything that is unwanted in your body. So we are back after an hour and a half. I cleared everything with a damp cloth, a warm damp cloth, because I didn't want to get that clay in my drainage. So after that, I took a warm shower or a hot shower, and at the end of everything, I washed down with some cold shower, because these minerals that you find in the clay, they are going to get activated. They are going to still be in use. So I just wanted to close my pore so that it doesn't escape. Okay, so now it's time for you to know the truth. I haven't checked it, so I don't know, but I can feel that there is some changes. So we are going to get a close look of how I look now. Yes, this is how I look now. This is how, like, I was bloated before, like previously. This place was like this, and I can see that my skin has been toned. Like everything is in place. Like if I continue doing this, I am going to look great. Okay, so let's see. This is one. What?
No, I don't believe this. 28 and 3/4. Okay, this is the upper part. Let's get to the lower part. The lower part, where is it? Okay, so this is the lower part. Let's get some. Okay, so the lower part is almost it's 29.5. So I lost at the upper part, I think I lost almost 2 inches, because if I can remember, it was 21 1/4 and now it's 28 3/4, right? Okay, so this is a great idea. This is something that you can continue doing it. Okay, so thank you. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comment box below and share this video, because somebody might be in need. And what else? Don't forget to like it so that I know that you really liked it. So thanks for watching, and if you have any other tutorials that you want me to give it a try, just let me know. I'll make my research. I will be the lab rat and I'll test it out. So thanks for watching, and that's it. Bye bye.